I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you've noticed an unauthorized charge on your TD app, disputing it can be straightforward. Follow these steps to get it resolved. Step 1. Open the TD app. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and select the account with the charge. Then, find the Transactions tab to view your recent activity. Step 3. Select the unauthorized charge. Scroll through your transactions and locate the charge you want to dispute. Tap on it to see more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. In the charge details, look for the Dispute button. Tap it and follow the prompts to provide information about the unauthorized charge. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling out the necessary information, review your dispute and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message once it is processed. Remember, it is important to keep an eye on your transactions regularly to catch any unauthorized charges early. Good luck, and I hope your issue gets resolved quickly.